What the Nasdaq just said on Shiba Inu will enable Shib to hit $1. Since October 2021, when they reached an all-time high of $0 and 8,845 cents, Shiba Inu prices have been in decline. As of the time of writing, the token is trading at $0 and 1,033 cents, down over 85%. Lead creator Shidoshi Kazama has proposed a strategy to push SHIB values up to $0.01. The introduction of Shiba Inu burns was intended to decrease supply and increase demand, yet this strategy has only partially succeeded. According to a CNF investigation from late last month, the Shiba Inu burning rate increased by hundreds of percentage points. However, as SHIB burn demonstrates, this rate fluctuates quickly. Although the supply has continuously decreased, the activity hasn't had much of an impact on SHIB pricing. We'll discuss what Nasdaq just said on Shiba Inu in this video, which will help SHIB hit $1. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. With more than 6.78 billion SHIB tokens burnt, March was one of the worst months for burns. There were 1.12 billion fires in January 2023, 2.072 billion SHIB in August 2023, 1.622 billion SHIB in November 2023, and 9.05 billion SHIB in October 2023. After burning through more than 8 billion tokens in little over a month, the Koyo token is already significantly contributing to this. During the Shibarium launch, the Koyo platform hopes to deliver billions of dollars in trade volumes, in addition to significant SHIB burns, which will greatly increase the platform's usefulness. Speaking on the falling costs, developer Kazama said that the fires had no impact on the price since it is still much too cheap. That is evident when one carefully examines the financial amount of the SHIB tokens burnt overall and on a recurring basis. Kazama has already established that Shibarium plays a part in burning Shibarium. The ultimate objective, according to principal creator Shidoshi Kazama, is to burn SHIB currencies valued at billions of dollars. In only 3 weeks since its introduction, Shibarium has amassed over 5 million wallet addresses and performed over 2 million transactions, as previously reported by CNF this week. Despite the fact that SHIB has been going through a consolidation period, investors are becoming more upbeat $0 and 1 cent. Renowned investor and trader Cryptorand has drawn attention to SHIB by releasing a chart that shows an impending breakthrough in the next days and weeks. A recent finding indicating that SHIB is among the top tokens owned by whales on the Ethereum blockchain validates our study. Long-term success and a SHIB breakout are certain with their support. There has been a significant decrease in the amount of tokens in circulation on the Shiba Inu SHIB network. Around 250 million tokens were removed from circulation lately. The value of Shiba Inu may increase if such a large number of tokens are taken out of circulation. Scarcity may grow as token supply declines, potentially leading to higher prices and more demand. This development follows the most recent spike in network and market activity for cryptocurrencies based on the mean. Shiba Inu has recently acquired market traction and broken over the 200-day moving average barrier. The upward trend in the cryptocurrency market has drawn the attention of traders and investors looking for profitable chances. Shiba Inu may be headed for greater growth based on the rising interest and the recent token burn occurrences. The most recent Ethereum unlock, which increased volatility in the cryptocurrency market, benefited the Shiba Inu ecosystem as well. Investors generally go towards riskier investment alternatives, such as Shiba Inus, when market volatility rises. Even if the withdrawal of 250 million tokens from circulation and recent market moves would suggest that Shiba Inu has a bright future, it is crucial that investors proceed with caution and do in-depth research before making any purchases. The price of digital assets may be greatly impacted by unanticipated events or changes in the market, since cryptocurrency markets are notoriously unstable. William Volk, a lead games consultant for Shiba Inu, posted a picture of leashed Shiba Inus on Twitter. Alongside the tweet, he tagged Shib and Shiba Eternity and said, "It must be a sign. It has to be a signal. #Eternity, also known as #Shib. April 15, 2023, William_Volk at William_Volk. PlayStation made waves in February when it revealed the first look at a new puzzle game. The Shiba Inu in Volk's photograph seemed to be having fun, despite having nothing to do with the Shiba Inu project and encouraging players to take on the role of a Shiba Inu. Remark: maybe we can deduce what Volk implied from the replies to the tweet. Fantastic things happening when adding the lookout emoji, said a Twitter user. The Shiba Inu community is keeping its fingers crossed for any advancements in the games industry, even if Volk's intentions were still unknown at the time of publication. Under the leadership of William Volk and creatively led by Shiba Inu head Satoshi Kazama, Playsight Studios produced the free-to-play collectible card game Shiba Eternity, which was released globally for iOS and Android users in October 2022. The foundation of Shiba Eternity is the Shiboshi, a unique breed of Shiba Inu dogs who have evolved their own unique warfare, art, and technology. There are 10,000 distinct Shiboshi heroes and more than 500 unique cards to collect. This year, Satoshi Kazama said in a blog post on Shibarium that the intention of Shiba Eternity was to create a high-caliber game that could be sold and licensed. The larger Shiboshi community and transformed into a player-rewarding Shibarium version. While hinting at a blockchain release, he observed that the game stayed on course. Following the November publication of Shiba Eternity Mythology, Kazama said that he was currently concentrating on releasing the blockchain version. In the meanwhile, Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency inspired by memes, has been gaining popularity of its own. A new initiative named Shibarium was recently introduced by the Shiba Inu team with the goal of establishing a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, for the Shib community. Shib holders will be able to take part in the network's governance via the DAO, voting on ideas and deciding how the project would go in the future. The Shib community has reacted well to Shibarium's debut, with many considering it to be a critical turning point in the project's evolution. Shib's price has increased recently as well. At the moment, the cryptocurrency is selling for around $0 and 1,129 cents. We have some startling news in addition to all the wonderful things that are occurring. Earlier on Friday, hackers took $23 million from Bitrue, a cryptocurrency exchange located in Singapore. It said in a tweet that Bitrue did not elaborate on the attack's methodology. On April 14, 2023, at 7:18 UTC, we discovered a small vulnerability in one of our hot wallets. We were able to swiftly resolve this issue and stop any further financial exploitation. Bitrue said, adding that the group was looking into the matter. About $23 million USD worth of assets in the following currencies: ETH, QNT, Gala, Shib, Hot, and Matic were taken by the attackers. Less than 5% of total reserves were in the impacted wallet, according to Bitrue, the exchange stated, and the remaining wallet was unhacked. All withdrawals have been temporarily halted by the exchange. On April 18, it anticipates reopening withdrawals. Full compensation will be given to all identifiable users who are impacted by this occurrence. The post was concluded. The social investment platform eToro, in collaboration with Direct Trading Services, has announced a partnership with Twitter to provide trading services for cryptocurrencies and other assets to Twitter users directly. With the new tool, Twitter users will be able to examine real-time pricing for stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other assets by reaching for cash tags like TSLA or BTC. Through the agreement, Twitter will now be able to provide live price charts for a wider variety of financial products. Twitter users will have more access to investing skills and more market knowledge thanks to the relationship with eToro. According to Chris Wrighty, Vice President of Worldwide Sales and Marketing at Twitter, the company will keep making investments to expand the use of the #F among the Twitter community. The addition of this function is a big step forward for eToro, as it will enable the platform to attract more users, especially among astute investors who use Twitter to keep up with the most recent developments in the financial world. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.